Okay, so we'll be doing illustration 11. Now look into the textbook. For the numbers A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, if B upon A is equal to C upon B, which is equal to D upon C, we have to show that the numbers are in GP. Now, in order to show that they are in GP, first let's write A, B, C, and D. So we will take T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to B, T3 is equal to C, and T4 is equal to D. Now, to prove that they are in GP, we should find the common ratio. If there is a common ratio between them, then they are in GP. So let's check out now. T1 is A, so A is equal to A. T2 is B, so AR is equal to B. T3 is C, third term, so AR square is equal to C. And T4, that is AR cube, is equal to D. Now let's substitute it in the equation. B upon A is equal to C upon B is equal to D upon C. So which is equal to B is AR upon A is equal to AR square upon AR, which is equal to D क्या है AR cube upon AR square, which is equal to, let's check out, AA cancel, AR, AR raised to 1, AR square, AR raised to 1, which is equal to R. Therefore, since common ratio is equal to R, they are in GP. Answer. Which term of GP 0.008, 0.016, 0.032 is 4.096? So we have to find कि ये term कौन सा है. So what we do is, first let's write A. A is equal to 0.008. R is equal to T2 upon T1, which is equal to 0.016 upon 0.008, which is equal to 2. Now calculator पे ये कर लेना कैसे आया. Okay, you just use calculator and do it so that there's no confusion. So 0.016 upon 0.008, you will get 2. So we have A, we have R. Now we have to find कि कौन सा term, which term is 4.096. So we write Tn is equal to 4.096, ये एक nth term है. So we have to find n. What is n? So we write the formula. Tn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. So 4.096 is equal to 0.008 into r, which is 2 raised to n minus 1. Now divide kar lo. 4.096 upon 0.008 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Therefore 2 raised to n minus 1 is equal to, क्या आंसर आया?
2:9.
No, is equal to what number you got? Divide by. So it
Oh.
comes to 512.
512.
Now you take calculator and you start doing 2 raised to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and see where you are getting 512. Use calculator. क्या आया आंसर सबका?
9.
2 raised
2
to
raised
9.
Therefore, 2 raised to n minus 1 is 2 raised to 9. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, n is equal to 10. Answer. Important है. Illustration 13 important. Please pay attention while we do illustration 13. Now, if the third term of GP, okay, wait, let me copy the question for you all. Okay, if the third term of GP is the square of the first term and the fourth term is 243, then find the sequence. Please read this once again. If the third term of GP, T3, is what? Square of the first term, यानी third term T3 वो first term T1 का square है. और क्या दिया है? Fourth term T4 is 243. Now we have to find the sequence. So we will take this as T3 is A into R raised to 2 is equal to A square. Now T4 is equal to 243, which is equal to A into R raised to 3. Now this A into A cancel. So A is equal to R square. We put this over here. So therefore, AR cube is equal to 243. Taking A is equal to R square. ध्यान दो please. Taking A is equal to R square. R square into R cube is 243. Therefore, R raised to 5. कैसे आया? R raised to 2 into R raised to 3. X raised to A into X raised to B is equal to X raised to A plus B. R raised to 5 is 243. Therefore, R raised to 5. So 3 raised to 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 raised to 5 is equal to 243, which is R raised to 5. Therefore, R is equal to 3. Answer. Now, very important is this, that the third term of GP is the square. किसका square? First term का. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Now over here we have to find the sequence. So let's find the sequence. Therefore, the sequence is first term. So we have to first find A. So let's find A. A is equal to R square. Therefore, A is equal to 3 square. So A is equal to 9. So 9 into R is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. 81 into 3 is 243. So on and so forth. Answer. तो सीक्वेंस के लिए पहले यू हैव टू फाइंड ए. ओके, ए इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर और उसके बाद फर्स्ट टर्म इज 9. फिर 9 इंटू 3 27. 27 इंटू 3 81. 81 इंटू 3 243. सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. नाउ next question, extremely important for exam. Illustration number 14. Please ध्यान देना. A person deposits 10,000 in a bank in the year 2009, 20,000 in the year 2010, 40,000 in the year 2011. So you can see increase हो रहा है, double हो रहा है. The amount of deposit in any given year is twice the amount of deposit of the previous year. What would be the amount of deposit in the year 2014? So now over here you have to be a bit careful. Let's start the sum. Solution. Deposit in the first year (2009) is rupees 10,000. Therefore, A is equal to rupees 10,000. Next, amount of deposit is twice of previous year. Therefore, R is equal to what? R is equal to what?
2.
R is equal to 2. 2 times. Okay, double हो रहा है. You can also do 20,000 divided by 10,000. Okay, you can do like that also. 20,000 divided by 10,000 is equal to 2. 40,000 divided by 20,000 is equal to 2. Now, the amount is twice. What would be the amount of deposit in the year 2014? So let's count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So therefore, the amount of deposit in the year 2014 taking n is equal to 6 will be T6. So 6 कैसा आया? 2009, 10. I'll write over here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Therefore T6 is equal to A is 10,000 into R. is 2, n minus 1 is 5, which is equal to 10,000 into 2 raised to 5 is 32, which is equal to rupees 3 lakh 20,000. Therefore, amount of deposit in 2014 is equal to rupees 3 lakh 20,000. And mark this some very important for exam. Even 15, 16, 17, they are all very important. Illustration 15, very important. Now, a water tank has a capacity of 52,000 liters, is fully filled with water. Every week, the water level decreases to that of previous year, reduces to half of that of previous year due to leakage. What will be the level of week after, underline this word, extremely important, after 5 weeks? Please underline this, very important in the textbook, after 5 weeks. So let's start writing the solution. Water level at the beginning of first week is equal to T1, which is equal to A, which is equal to 50,000. So फर्स्ट जो वीक है उसके बिगिनिंग में यानी पहले दिन के मॉर्निंग सुबह पे उसका वाटर लेवल था 50,000. सेकेंड पॉइंट, वाटर लेवल reduces to half every week. So therefore, R is equal to what? Can you tell me? R is equal to what?
1/2.
Yes, 1/2. Very good. Half हो जाता है. So 1/2 तो हमारे पास A है, हमारे पास R है. Now, what will be the level of water after 5 weeks? Therefore, level of water after 5 weeks is, now tell me, n क्या लेंगे? आफ्टर 5 weeks है तो n क्या आएगा?
5.
सॉरी,
6.
आफ्टर 5 weeks है तो n क्या आएगा?
6.
6.
आंसर देख के बता.
सर 5 का तो दिया है और एक तो
क्या?
आफ्टर 5 वीक्स है तो 5 वीक्स के बाद वाला 6.
वाह, क्या लॉजिक बनाया है तुमने बेटा. तीसरी जरा मुझे डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करो कैसे 6 आया. ऐसे में अगर मैं तुम्हें ऐसा आंसर देता कि 5 के बाद यानी 6, वो गलत है.
वैल्यू आफ्टर 5 वीक्स तो 5th वीक पे जो आया वो काउंट नहीं करेंगे. 6th वीक पे जो लेवल ऑफ वाटर है वो काउंट.
Others are convinced? कहीं पर
सर मैं बोलता हूँ.
बोल.
सर आज का जो लेवल है वो अपना 50,000 है, वो A1 है, मतलब T1 है आज का लेवल. फिर 5 वीक के बाद उसका T6 नहीं हो जाएगा?
देख अभी तू यार, फिर भी तू फटाफट मत समझा, मेरे को कूलली समझा ना.
मतलब आज आज उसका लेवल T1 है 50,000, फिर नेक्स्ट एक वीक बाद उसका T2 हो जाएगा 25,000।
वेरी गुड। फिर
मतलब फिफ्थ वीक पे T6 होगा ना।
हाँ, यानी सी इसमें कैसे करना है हमें, ध्यान दो प्लीज। तुम्हें ये कंसेप्ट ऐसे समझना है कि ये फर्स्ट वीक है, मंडे टू संडे। फिर सेकेंड वीक है, फिर थर्ड वीक है, फिर फोर्थ वीक है, और फिर फिफ्थ वीक है। Make a box. So these are all block of 7 days. Okay, Monday to Saturday or Monday to Sunday. Now, at the beginning, so at this stage, we have taken A is equal to 50,000 liters. So your tank was filled with 50,000 liter. So A. Then at the end of second week, at the end of first week. So can I say at the end of first week is beginning of second week? Can I say end of first week is beginning of second week? हेलो हेलो, ये समझ में आया सबको?
ना सर।
मंडे सुबह, ओके, और संडे रात को 12 बजे कैन आई से वो वीक खत्म हुआ और दूसरा वीक चालू हुआ?
यस सर।
अब खबर पड़ा?
हम्म।
ओके, नाउ ध्यान दो, यहां पे आई चेंज द कलर ऑफ द पेन। ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट, सो ये हो गया T1। नाउ ये जो है यहां पे फर्स्ट वीक का एंड और सेकेंड वीक का बिगनिंग, सो ये जो है हमारा जो पोर्शन, ये हो गया हमारा T2। क्योंकि अब हमारा कितना हो गया पानी का बैलेंस, 50,000 से वो हो गया 25,000। यू अग्री? यू अग्री? नाउ ध्यान दो, अब वापस वीक खत्म हुआ, ये हो गया T3, ये हो गया T4, ये हो गया T5, और एट द एंड आफ्टर 5 वीक्स, ओके, तो 5 वीक जब खत्म हुआ और छठा वीक जब चालू हुआ
T6।
T6। समझ में आया? अब ये पता चला। तो ऐसे गोखना मत कि आफ्टर 5 वीक एटले 6th वीक, नो नो नो, ऐसे गोखना नहीं। तुम्हें ये कंसेप्ट पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे ना वाटर टैंक भरा हुआ है, तो पहला दिन मंडे मॉर्निंग को, ओके, 12:01 इट वाज 50,000 लीटर। फिर वही वीक में एंड में हाफ हो गया, सो सेकेंड वीक का बिगनिंग और फर्स्ट वीक का एंड। तो वैसे करके जाएंगे तो कितने टर्म्स हो रहे? तो 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6। So we have to take it at this as T6. N is equal to 6. You may please draw this diagram to understand this concept. ऐसे गोखना नहीं कि सर आफ्टर दिया है ना तो 6 ले लेने का, नहीं, ऐसा मत करना। You should know the logic also. अगर ऐसा पूछा होता कि what will be the level in the 5th week, तो क्या आता?
T5.
Then we would have taken T5 जैसे प्रीवियस सम में लिया ना। What would be the amount of deposit in the year 2014? पता चला? यहाँ पे बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्ड आफ्टर, इट मींस वीक खत्म हो गया। तो वीक खत्म हो गया तो हमने चालू कहां से किया? तो फर्स्ट वीक में देयर आर टू टर्म्स, T1 भी है और T2 भी है, विच इज बेसिकली बिगनिंग ऑफ सेकेंड वीक। गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? एग्जाम में एक्सपेक्टेड है ये क्वेश्चन, और स्टूडेंट सिर्फ 5 वीक्स पढ़ के n इज इक्वल टू 5 ले लेते हैं। एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू दैट यू अंडरलाइन आफ्टर वर्ड, द वर्ड आफ्टर को अंडरलाइन करना है। समझ में आ गया सबको? प्रीति?
Yes, yes.
ओके, नाउ मानव, दीप, रिकी, Payal, Zeel, Prisha. Okay, chalo. Now, let's find out T6. I'll erase this now. Now T6, so Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So T6 is equal to A is 50,000 into R is 1 by 2 whole raised to n minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, which is equal to 50,000 into 1 raised to 5 is 1 and 2 raised to 5 is 32, which is equal to 1562.5 liters. Therefore, level of water after 5 weeks is equal to 1562.5 liters. Illustration 16. Again important, exam में expected है such sums. Population of a city is 20 lakhs. If the population increases at the rate of 3% every year, very important point, ध्यान देना please, 3% every year, find the population of the city after 6 years. So what will be N?
7.
7. Understood this? साल के बिगनिंग में जो था वो A था, तो साल के एंड में T2 हो गया, दूसरे साल के एंड में T3, then T4, then T5, then T6 and T7. T6 will be beginning of the 6th year and T7 will be end of the 6th year. Okay, now ध्यान दो please. Now, population is 20 lakhs at the beginning. Therefore, A is equal to 20 lakhs. Now, population increases, this is an important point, at the rate of 3%. It means what? It means if it is 100, okay, in this year, next year it will become 103. So therefore, R is equal to, take this as T2, take this as T1 just for the sake of getting the value of R, क्योंकि A is 20 lakh, ये सिर्फ एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए है, फाइंड करने के लिए कि R क्या है, okay? R will be equal to 103 by 100, which is equal to 1.03. 1.03 पता चला, 1.03 पता चला, 1.03 पता चला.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have R, we have A. Population of the city after 6 years. If it was given what will be the population in the 6th year, it was not a problem, but here it is given after 6th year. So end of 6th year and beginning. You have to use the word beginning of the 7th year. So that will be T7. Therefore, Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. T7 is equal to 20 lakhs into R is 1.03 raised to 7 minus 16, which is equal to, take calculator and calculate 1.03 into is equal to is raised to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into 20 lakh. So which is 20 lakh into calculator पे you will get 1.1940522. जहां तक जाता है जाने दो और into calculator में do 20 lakh, which comes to rupees. Sorry, which comes to people, a population, which is equal to 23 lakhs 88,104.5. So 105 people. Therefore, population after 6 years will be equal to 2388,105 people. Answer. All of you understood this? किसी को कोई doubt? Okay, expected in exam. (17) again extremely important. Now, ध्यान देना please. Government decides to fix the depreciation rate of a machine to 15% per year. Now, यहाँ पे depreciation है, तो rate जो दिया है उससे value of the asset will decrease, कम हो जाएगा. If the purchase price of machine is 50,000, यानी 50,000 में खरीदा, so what will be the value of machine after 7 years? Please underline this, after 7 years. Now, solution. Purchase price of the machine you have to write at the beginning of the year. Now, you must write this at the beginning of the year. A is equal to 50,000. Machine depreciates at the rate 15% every year. Therefore, R is equal to, अगर 100 था तो अब वो हो गया 85, which is equal to 0.85. Now you understood how we got 0.85. 100 में से 15 माइनस हो जाएगा तो रह जाएगा 85। तो पहले साल 100, साल के एंड में 15% माइनस करेंगे तो 15 माइनस होगा जो 85। ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? प्रीवियस में it was population increase, so rate we added, it was 103 divided by 100. Okay, in this sum it is depreciation, so it decreased. तो पहला टर्म अगर 100 है तो दूसरा टर्म हो जाएगा 85, so t2 upon t1 is r. Understood this? Now we have to find, therefore the value of machine after 7 years will be equal to T what?
8.
T8. T8. Therefore, Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. T8 is equal to A is 50,000 into R is 0.85, n minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So calculate karo, please calcipate. Take the calculator. 0.85 into is equal to, so raised to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which comes to 50,000 into 0.320577 goes on and on into calcipay kar lo 50,000, which is equal to, don't round off please up to 2 decimal places, okay, because we are multiplying it with 50,000, so which is equal to rupees 16,028, 16,028.85. Therefore, we write the final answer. Value of machine after 7 years is equal to rupees 16,028.85. Answer. Now, as homework, you have to do all these sums once again on your own. They are all extremely important for your exams.